Alright guys, we're doing another trade recap today. Here you can see the overview of my top sub account. So yeah, total PNL was about 1100 or minus 1100, so we have like 900 to go before our account gets blown. Or sorry, actually no, we have like 700 actually. So that's unfortunate, but yeah, as you guys can see, this is the minimum account balance. So if we hit this, our account's gonna be closed out. But regardless, um, yeah, today was a very bad day. I accidentally, what's it called? I'll explain it to you guys. All right, so first things first on the 4 hour, we were at this candle, and I think this was the hourly order block or fair value gap. Anyway, my price target was the London highs, and there's more on the hourly, I think, but that's pretty much for the 4 hour, just those London highs. Yeah, so my price target was those London highs and this fair value gap. Now we were in the fair value gap, right? Pre-market, and we came down into this hourly order block. So I thought we would push higher, take the London highs, and then sweep lower into this hourly fair value gap, which looks like what we might be doing. But regardless, after that, I went to the 15 minute, and on the 15 minute, I marked out the equilibrium level. So where were we? From this low to this high, this which is where market was, and we saw price come down, sweep this 15 minute liquidity, and I looked for an entry on the 5 minute or 1 minute. So yeah, we saw this liquidity sweep on the 5 minute, and then there was this fair value gap on the 5 minute right here. I'll mark it out if you guys can't. This might be a little hard to see. This 5 minute fair value gap right here, which price obviously came into. You can see. So if we scale onto the 1 minute, price came into this fair value gap, and then I entered. I entered off of damn, I just closed out my position. Or not my position, my long, whatever, this thing. Well, it was something like this. Um, but yeah, obviously this candle came in, filled the fair value gap, and then I entered on this candle because I was pretty confident it would take London highs after this rejection off the fair value gap. So I entered off this, and then I put another 5 contracts on here, and then I accidentally put 2 on. I didn't mean to do that. Um, but yeah, price was going up, and this is the London highs, this green line, and price came back down, and you could see we got literally wicked out of our stop, and that's honestly just unfortunate because we stuck to everything that our model said, and our price target was hit. So I don't. I really thought I put my stop, like I didn't put it this big, but I really thought I put it below the fair value gap. I guess price just we got some slippage or something. So maybe we could account for that next time. But regardless, everything else was looking pretty good. And yeah, I mean, that's just unfortunate. I didn't mean to put these 2 contracts on, so we would have lost less money, probably about like 800. But regardless, yeah. So price did actually hit our first take profit, and I would have taken out most of my position there for like a close to 700 profit or something like that. But unfortunately, we got wicked out by I don't even think that's 1 point. I guess by like 2 points. Well, unfortunate, but I guess it's just part of the game. The only thing with the funded account is the daily loss, or not the daily loss limit, the maximum loss limit. So I can only risk about, we see a balance 48.9. I can only risk about 700 more. So I'm thinking of risking 350 per trade. Now that kind of limits me. in how much profit I can make unless I catch like a really small stop loss risk to reward. But it's just, I guess it is what it is, part of the game. But yeah, that's about it for the day. Not a very good day today, but what are you gonna do? Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, if I'm not doing anything in the morning, I think I will trade, considering this is all before market open, and hopefully we could catch a good profit tomorrow because I kind of need it. But yeah, this you guys can see the stats to our account. Always gonna be transparent with you guys. Um, but yeah, you can see we have 5 losing trades, 2 winning trades. Which the losing trades, I don't know if the it, I don't know if it it counts the trades where you buy in and then buy in again and then buy in again. So that would be 3 today. One of which I didn't even mean to do, but yeah, you can see we only total gain 376, so we're down about 1100. But it is what it is. Hopefully we could get back, and if we do blow the account, I don't know if I'm gonna reactivate it or if I'm going to if I'm going to or if I'm going to just wait till a monthly charge. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys find something useful out of this video. I'll be on tomorrow maybe.